Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy an Alpha Futures account, pricing rules and payouts. Alpha Futures is a prop funding firm that lets you trade with funded capital if you pass their evaluation. Before buying an account, you must understand that you are buying a challenge or evaluation first. Passing it earns you funded account, and real money trading comes only after you successfully complete the evaluation. Next, visit the official Alpha Futures website. Open your browser and go to alphafutures.com, then navigate to Get Funded, Pricing, or Start Now. Always use the official site to avoid mirror scams. Choose your account size based on 2026 pricing. Alpha Futures typically offers multiple account options. Prices and targets may vary depending on promotions, and the discounts are often available. If you want multiple evaluation accounts, increase the quantity during checkout. You can buy 2, 5, 10, or more accounts at once, but each account is independent and must be passed separately. This allows you to scale your funded potential. Enter your name, email, and country. Then choose your payment method and apply any promo code if available. After payment, you will receive your evaluation account login via email along with the TradeOfIt login credentials for that account. It is critical to understand the evaluation stage rules. These include the profit target, for example 10%, maximum daily loss limit, for example 2%, maximum total drawdown, for example 4%, minimum trading delays required, allowed instruments, and trading hours. Breaking any rules results in immediate failure. News trading may be banned, and over-leveraging can void your account. Log into your dashboard, often via TradeOfIt, and trade only that allowed symbols. Track your progress carefully. Tips that most traders miss include starting slow to establish your rhythm, avoiding big positions early, and never trading on days when you are at the maximum drawdown. You pass the evaluation when you hit the profit target and never violate the drawdown rules. Once passed, your account becomes funded. When your account is funded, you will receive updated daily loss limits, a scaling plan to increase capital over time, and a profit split between you and the firm. The typical payout split is 70% to 80% to the trader and 20% to 30% to the firm. Some promotions may offer up to 90% to the trader, so check the current offer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.